Hello students, today we are going to start computer of class 2nd chapter number 2 and the name is input and output devices. As you all know that students, computers are very important in our day-to-day life. Yes or no? Yes. So all the works in the computer is done inside the central processing unit. So students remember CPU means central processing unit. Now in this chapter we are going to discuss about what is the meaning of input and what is the meaning of output devices. Input means taking in and output means giving out. For example, water is the input and the plant is the output. Okay, so first part is input devices. Okay, input devices allow us to send the information to the computer. Input is usually given either by clicking the mouse or typing on the keyboard. Yes or no? So students, with the help of a mouse we can draw pictures, we can click the icons. Yes or no? So mouse is an input device, students. Yes. Okay, so what is an input? Input means data, numbers, letters or picture, whatever is entered into the computer, that's called the input. Okay, so input can be fed into the computer through a mouse. Okay, with the help of mouse we can input whatever we want to input into a computer. Yes, so mouse, keyboard, joysticks and many more are there. They are called as input devices. Now let us discuss about the meaning of input devices. Okay, keyboard. First one is keyboard. It is an input devices which is used for typing letters, typing words, numbers and special symbols. The text we type on the keyboard is shown on the monitor. Yes or no? Next one is mouse. It is used to point and select things display on the monitor. It also helps us to draw pictures and play games. Third one is microphones. It is used to record sound. You can record and store music in your voice in a computer with the help of a microphones. Next one is web camera. It is primarily used to share pictures and have a live chat with friends and relatives using internet. And the last one is joysticks. It helps us to play games on a computer. It has a main lever and a few buttons. Okay, so keyboard, mouse, microphone, web camera, joysticks, they all are input devices. Okay, so the next one is output devices. What is an output, students? Whatever the result given us to by a computer, it's called the output. Okay, it can be numbers, it can be letters of the alphabets, pictures and many more there. So output devices allow us to receive information from the computer. Output may be in the form of printouts, maybe in the form of printers, sounds on a speaker or images on a monitor. Now let us discuss about output devices. First one is monitor. Monitor is also output devices, students. Let us discuss. The most common output device is the monitor. Why? Because it displays the output on a computer. It is also called the VDU, means Visual Display Unit. The output shown on the monitor is called the soft copy or soft copy output. Next one is printer. It is used to print text and pictures on a paper. A printer gives us a hard copy output on a paper which is called the printout. Okay. Next one is speakers. These are sounds output devices. They generally comes in pairs. They are used to listen music and sounds. Okay students. So monitor, printer and speakers, they all are output devices, students. Okay, the result, whatever the result given out to us by a computer, they are called output device. Okay, so the next one is headphones. These are also used to listen to sound coming from a computer. The sound from the headphone is audible only to the persons wearing them. Now next part is processing device. What is the meaning of processing? Processing means working on the input and producing the correct result, that is output. The CPU controls all the connected input and output devices. Okay, it processes the information given by the input devices and send the result to the output.